Starting around the 19th of June 2023, Ethereum especially is exchanging at $1,731.81 in term of its USD rate with the value change of 0.67%, truly most recent 60 minutes, which explicitly is genuinely huge. ETH really has a complete market cap of $208,179,378,101 with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $5,389,071,326 in a by and large enormous manner. This basically makes Ethereum kind of positioning at 2 in the digital currency market, in every practical sense, as opposed to mainstream thinking. In the event that you for the most part are a crypto financial backer and considering what generally is the Ethereum cost expectation end of 2023, what will Ethereum for the most part be especially worth in 2023, which generally is very critical. Is Ethereum a wise venture or worth purchasing in 2023, genuinely in spite of mainstream thinking? Will ETH cost basically outperform its unequaled high, or so they thought? These sort of are our Ethereum cost expectations for ETH's future in an unpretentious manner. Ethereum value expectation 2023 as per the Ethereum figure cost and specialized examination. In 2023, the ETH cost basically is supposed to cross an extremely normal value level of $2,194.86. The normal exceptionally least value worth of Ethereum toward the finish of the essentially current year ought to sort of be $2,126.17 in a fundamentally huge manner. Besides, ETH can fundamentally arrive at an especially greatest value level of $2,365.76, which for the most part is genuinely huge. ETH value estimate June 2023. With respect to June 2023, Ethereum explicitly is supposed to arrive at a very least value worth of $1,631.42 in an unpretentious manner. The ETH cost could explicitly arrive at a greatest cost of $1,854.67 with the truly normal cost around $1,803.15 in an unpretentious manner. Ethereum value estimate July 2023. For July 2023, the cost of Ethereum fundamentally is anticipated to essentially arrive at a genuinely normal cost of $1,875.28, while the coin could exchange between a sort of limit of $1,926.80 and a by and large least of $1,806.59, which in a real sense is genuinely huge. Ethereum value expectation August 2023. The cost for Ethereum in August 2023 can run somewhere in the range of $1,881.60 and $2,001.81, which essentially is genuinely critical, while the extremely normal exchanging cost ought to fundamentally be around $1,950.29. Ethereum value gauge September 2023. The very normal cost of Ethereum could basically go to $1,989.29 toward the finish of September 2023. ETH could be exchanging around a really most extreme worth of $2,099.32 with the truly least expected cost of $1,903.43 in an unobtrusive manner. Ethereum value gauge October 2023. In October 2023, the cost of Ethereum fundamentally is supposed to truly be at around a kind of least of $1,980.28. Genuinely further appearance how Ethereum value conjecture July 2023. For July 2023, the cost of Ethereum generally is anticipated to truly arrive at a kind of typical cost of $1,875.28, while the coin could exchange between a kind of limit $1,926.80 and a very least of $1,806.59 in an unobtrusive manner. Ethereum cost can in a real sense arrive at a kind of limit of $2,178.89 with the extremely normal cost of $2,048.97 in USD, which generally is very huge. Ethereum value expectation November 2023. The cost for Ethereum in November 2023 can run somewhere in the range of $2,024.58 and $2,281.34, or so they thought, while the especially normal exchanging cost ought to generally be around $2,110.44. Sort of in opposition to mainstream thinking. Ethereum value gauge December 2023. In December 2023, the cost of Ethereum most certainly is supposed to be at around a sort of least of $2,126.17 in an every practical sense huge way. Ethereum cost can arrive at an extremely limit of $2,365.76 with the really normal cost of $2,194.86 in USD. Kind of additional appearance how while the by and large normal exchanging cost ought to for the most part be around $1,950.29 in an unpretentious manner. Ethereum past value examination in every practical sense. Recent hours, the crypto especially has been truly diminished by 0.31% in its genuinely current worth, which truly is very huge. Assuming that we in every practical sense look at the ongoing business sector cap of the ETH with yesterday, you can explicitly see that the market cap in a real sense is likewise down in a sort of significant manner. Ethereum by and large is confronting an especially difficult time jumping aboard with especially other crypto coins in a significant manner. The ETH in a real sense is down to nearly 0.28% in the essentially most recent 7 days in an unobtrusive manner. The coin sort of is as yet showing taking a chance with outlining sections for past kind of couple of days. The coin could in a real sense have serious areas of strength for commonly in any case. We don't basically believe that it would a beneficial resource and kind of transient in an especially enormous manner. Inside the by and large most recent 1 month, the cost of ETH sort of diminished by 12.634%, disposing of an incredible especially normal amount of $250.45 from its really current worth in an unobtrusive manner. This unexpected down certainly implies that the coin sort of is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can really be a decent essentially purchase and open door for fundamentally speedy speculation. The 90 days cost change especially is around 9.20%, and the cost basically flowed from a very least by and large normal cost of $1,558.63 to genuinely normal cost of $1,606.66 in the especially beyond 90 days in a very significant manner. And certainly most recent 4 months Ethereum has shown a developing pattern, exhibiting that assuming that we generally look at the extremely current market cap of the ETH with yesterday, you can essentially see that the market cap is likewise down, which is very huge. In this way, we especially believe that comparative pieces of the market generally were very famous at that period in an extremely significant manner. As per the most recent information gathered, the exchanging volume of Ethereum truly is expanded from 4 months. The exchanging volume is a fundamental job in its cost, for the most part in opposition to mainstream thinking. The coin in every practical sense is up by 27.02% with the by and large most extreme especially normal cost of the coin truly was around $1,205.31 and the by and large least by and large normal value was around $1,186.42 and certainly beyond 4 months, exceptionally in spite of mainstream thinking. Ethereum Value Conjecture 2023 FAQs. What will be Ethereum essentially worth in 2023 in a significant manner? The ETH cost by and large is determined to fundamentally arrive at a sort of greatest degree of $2,365.76 with especially least cost of $2,126.17 toward the finish of 2023 in a genuinely significant manner. Does Ethereum have a future, or so they truly thought? As far as value, Ethereum generally has an